When the value is obvious, the decision is easy. So I'm not here to make stuff for you before we've spent time figuring out how to make your value obvious to your leads, to make their decision easier. Now, ultimately, I'm 3 people removed from the people that we start to discuss, which is your customer's customer. We're helping other people grow their business through what we've got to offer. And making that value obvious, and not just making it obvious, but matching it up with the right people is key. So we first of all start with some real high-level thinking, because out of that, once it's complete, that is the solid foundation on which everything else is built. And this becomes a problem for people who want to get a promotional video made, or whatever format it takes, because it then feels like we ought to be directors and we ought to know exactly what we want, but that is part of the process. If you want to go to someone who can make you this, and they put you in the shoes of a director, then you're going to feel pressured and you're going to have an onus that the pressure is on you and it all matters. But you want a promotional video because you know your business inside out and you know your leads inside out and your potential customers, and you have an idea of why they want what you've got. Now that is what we're selling to. So this is marketing with a fully sales-oriented approach, and that is people will buy from us when the value is obvious. So let's make the decision easy for your leads to get what they need from you, because we're looking for the solutions to grow what we're doing. So we start with the strategy. It's strategic thinking, and that pulls together you and I the full plan, which once complete, anyone could make the video, because there's lots of skilled people and lots of choice to get great videos made. But just like a feature film, a feature animation, DreamWorks, Disney, whatever, the what you're looking at on screen started a long time ago with drawings on a wall, and all of that was locked down before they start making the thing. So it's a separate department, separate process. We can't miss out the front bit, because that would mean the difference between the success or failure of a video. And I would ask you, one of the first questions is, how will you judge if this is successful? Because from that, we can build upon making sure that your material that's made for you through this process becomes an investment and isn't just a throwaway expense because it didn't return to us what we expected it to do. It's an investment because it returns at least 10 times what we spent on it in time and effort and soul to get these things right. And that is all to do with setting it up to win at the beginning. I want to help you win in your business. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel or my website so you get notified whenever I publish new things. Or pick up the phone and give me a ring. Love to speak to you. Thank you.